Hey everyone, Adam and Sarah here, the Green Executive. Hope you're doing well. Sarah,
Adam.
There's a lot of people out there, a lot of green industry professionals that need bookkeeping services, and some of them that do have them, some of their bookkeepers aren't doing something that we do. It's called receipt forward. Can you kind of tell a little bit of our listeners about what receipt forward bookkeeping is?
Let me take it from here.
To you. There you go.
Okay.
Go right ahead.
So what I think is a little bit different about bookkeeping at the Green Executive from other places is that we very much want those receipts. So what that means is when we're bridging that gap between what happens daily and your accountant or your CPA, we are using information from you to do that. The way we like to get that information at the Green Executive is from the receipt. So when that purchase is made, that receipt has all the details on it. So when you go to Walmart or Costco or even a gas station, there could be multiple things on there. It could be fuel, it could be materials, as far as like maybe you got a thing of oil or antifreeze at the gas station, maybe you got food, ice, drinks, water. Ideally you're staying out of the gas station, but as an example, you've got those multiple things that could be on a receipt. So we want to see that receipt to get those details so that when we're entering that money out into the books, we're putting it in the right place.
So let's just say a contractor goes and buys grass seed, maybe for their fertilization division, on one receipt, and on the same receipt there's also a pallet of pavers, all from the supply yard. So the reason why that might be important is because, like you said, for the level of detail, and if the contractor is looking for maybe a P&L by a division or more detail, they can do that.
So that just
ideally, right?
Depends on the company.
Sure.
How specific they want to get. So that's an example of one that would, obviously your food is a little different from your supplies. The level of detail on the supplies, that's really business specific, but we can get as specific as you want.
So get those receipts, go receipt forward, much more detail for your bookkeeping, okay?
So how is that different than other places?
Yes, well, let's talk about that. So with that said, yeah, some bookkeepers just say, hey, give me the account, right?
So here's how it usually works. With most bookkeepers, they're connecting your QuickBooks to the bank feed. So like in QuickBooks Online, they might go in and ask you to connect your QuickBooks account with your credit card company or your bank. We would do the same, but we won't use that as the sole source of entry. We use the receipts as the source of entry into the books with those details on it, and then that feed where those details are coming in when your bank or your credit card company is saying, hey, this is what really happened, or this is the money out really, then we are using that to check to see if we've got the receipt. So we're matching up to that. So the first point of entry is the receipt. Then you have a check and balance with the feeds to see are we missing anything, and then once a month you're reconciling those bank accounts and those credit cards, so that way the statements are trued up, so to speak, so that we're making sure what the company has matches with what the QuickBooks account says, so that what real life is what we're recording in QuickBooks.
Didn't we catch a barbecue grill one time because of that?
Yeah, but everybody's heard about that. They don't want to hear about it.
Okay. All right, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of your week. See you later. Bye.